if you have a 2004 to 2008 Acura TL, I'm going to show you how to reset the ECU. You could do it one of two ways. You can disconnect the car battery, but you better make sure you have the passcode for the radio. And if you have navigation, you better make sure you have passcode for the navigation. Or you could do it this way. So I have my key in the ignition is on the off position. So right now I'm going to turn it to position number 1. And then you want to make sure your radio is off. Make sure your AC is off. Make sure all the electrical power is off. Your headlight is off. Okay, with your foot on the gas pedal, wait for a moment. You're going to turn the key to the position number 2. Just like that. And then what I'm doing is I'm looking at the check engine light. So once that check engine light disappear, we're going to start up the car and your ECU should be resetted. So what this does is the ECU will adjust to your driving habits. So you drive like a much older person, the throttle response is going to be normal. But if you drive spirited, the throttle response is going to feel much better. The shifts is going to be much crisper and smoother. Now, I usually do this once a week and it works for me. So let me know in the comment section if this works out for you.